Hi everyone, we're back with the Shark Rocket Stick Vac with Duo Clean. Today we're going to be cleaning this resort room. We have this room right here, all the way into here, all the way around here, through here. Not gonna vacuum that. Have this hallway, another full room of carpet over there. And then in a little bit, not today, we're going to shampoo these carpets as well. But first is the vacuuming, so let's go. There's already a little bit of dirt in the bin from a previous video, but not that much at all. A little bit of dirt right there. This vacuum is doing a really good job. I can't really tell what's in the bin, but we'll find out later. Can't go under those curtains or the Duo Clean brush roll will suck them right in. This is the entrance to the outside. This way is really grooming the carpet well. You should be able to see the difference. Now I need to vacuum through here. I'm not really sure if we'll be getting any agitation. Shark is doing a surprisingly good job. Since we're going to be pulling on the cord thing, I'm going to unplug it from this lamp and plug the Shark directly into the outlet. The cord should be able to reach the entire room in here, at least most of it anyways. It should definitely be clean under the beds. Since I'm sure that their upright doesn't fit under there. See if we can fit the Shark under here, sort of. tricky back here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, this one, it actually fits completely under. Whoops. Camera's starting to get a little bit uncomfortable. The grip, even with the extension, thanks to the small rig cage on the ZV-10, isn't the biggest. So we have one more room we're gonna clean. The cord's not gonna reach, so I'm gonna plug it in a different outlet. All right, so let's continue. The Shark does a superb job of cleaning. Close this door and vacuum behind it. Sure, there's some hair on the bathroom floor, so I vacuum it when it's still dry. Right, that's as far as we can go. I do love how Shark makes it pretty much instant to switch brush roll speeds for carpet or hard floors. I'm really interested to see how much dirt came out of this carpet. Not sure what this thing could possibly be for. Like this bench right here. Oh, it's bad. All right. So I'm gonna put the camera up and I'll be back with the results. All right, everyone. So we have the absolute horror of dirt that was in that carpet. Here it is. Let the camera adjust the exposure. Ugh. All right, let's empty it into this garbage can. Zoom that in. Make sure that you can all see this. Oh, it's bad. It's really bad. As you saw, it was just absolutely filthy. I'm gonna give it a good tap. That is absolutely disgusting. You can see how good of a job the Shark did though. So next we're gonna wash the filters on the Shark. Now we're gonna wash the Shark's filters. You can see here that they are absolutely disgusting, especially this pre-filter. It's got a layer of filth on the top. So it looks like we have one of these awesome sprayer things. So I'm just going to use this to saturate the filter in water. That's quite obnoxious. That's like very obnoxious. So honestly, that was absolutely a fantastic cleaning job we did. We were able to remove a ton of dirt from the carpets and make them look a little bit cleaner. And the carpet cleaner will, of course, make it look way better than it is now. But that's for another video. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.